Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Biology Planet. So in our earlier video we have seen the level of organization and the definition of tissues, right? So in this video we will see the types of tissues, types of different tissues on the basis of the organism in which they are found. तो अगर हम बात करें, जैसे मैंने अभी पहले भी आपको बताया है कि that there are different types of organisms are there. There are animals are also there and plants are also there, right? So plant tissues, obviously we have already studied the difference between the animal cell and the plant cell. If the cells of the animals and plants are different, then the tissues which are found in the animal and plant, they also be different, right? They will be great difference between them. क्योंकि हमें पता है कि right, animals जो होते हैं, they means they keep on moving from one place to another place. They keep on moving in search of food and shelter, right? So that is why they need more energy, right? While the plants, they are more rigid, they are stationary. They do not move from one place to another place. So that is why the cells or the tissues which will be present in their body, they will be more rigid, more strong in comparison to that of animals. So there is a difference between the tissues which are found in the plant and animal. So let's see what is the difference between them. Plant tissue. Plant tissue की अगर हम बात करें तो the cells which are present in the plant tissue, mostly they are dead and they are supportive in nature and they provide mechanical strength to the plant. So basically plant tissues are made up of mainly dead cells. These are made up of mainly dead cells which provide mechanical strength and are supportive in nature. Supportive in nature. So if we talk about the plant cell, so we have already seen in the previous lesson that there is rigid cell wall is found in the plant cell while cell wall is absent in the animal cell. So plant cell, अगर हम plant tissues की बात करें तो mostly the plant tissues which are made up of dead cells which provide mechanical strength and they are supportive in nature. तो mainly in the plant tissues are supportive in nature. वो support देते हैं plant को because plants need more support. Plants do not move from one place to another place. Plants are stationary, they are static. So they have to face number of एडवर्स कंडीशंस, उनको एडवर्स कंडीशंस फेस करनी पड़ती है. अगर आंधी आती है, तूफान आता है, किसी भी तरीके की बारिश होती है, तो दे हैव टू बी एट दैट प्लेस ओनली. So to face all these adverse climatic conditions, they need more support, more strength. So that is why most of the cells, most of the plant tissues are supportive in nature and they are dead cells. Most of the cells are dead in nature, means they do not, most of the cells do not have the living protoplasm, right? While in case of animal cell, अगर हम animal cell की बात करें तो they have the living protoplasm या फिर they have living cells, means most of the cells which are found in the animal tissue, they are living cells. As I told you earlier also that animals need to move from one place to another place, right, for the shelter, for the for food. So that is why they need more energy also, right? They need more energy. So for that only all the cells are living in nature, right? All the cells are living in nature. They all perform respiration, right, all the time. Next point, if we will see the difference between the plant tissue and the animal tissue, that is that there is a cell wall is found. Cell wall is found. We have already seen that cell wall is found in the cell, means the outer covering, means cell wall is found in the plant cell, and these plant tissue generally the growth is not uniform, right? The growth is not uniform and की बात करें तो you will see that there is no uniform growth can be seen in case of plants. Suppose this is the plant. If you have potted any plant, then you will see firstly it is very small. It has very small roots. छोटी छोटी रूट्स होती हैं, राइट. स्मॉल प्लांट होता है, स्मॉल लीव्स आर ऑल्सो देयर, शूट इज ऑल्सो वेरी स्मॉल. बट एज इट ग्रोज, means after a long means after a certain duration of time, what happens, the roots grows longer or deeper inside the soil, and the shoot also grows inside this. So here you can see that there is a growth only in the root system and shoot system, though there is also growth in the leaves and the branches, but after a certain period of time the growth of the leaves and branches stops, means we can say that it stops, but the length, means the height of the plant, means height of the shoot and root keep on increasing, right. So here you will not here we will see that there is no uniformity in the growth. यहाँ पे कोई uniformity नहीं है कि means if the shoot is growing so high, अगर shoot बहुत ऊंचा जा रहा है, बहुत length उसकी बहुत बढ़ रही है, तो in the same way the branches will also increase in the same way. ऐसा तो यहाँ पर नहीं हो रहा है कि शूट भी इंक्रीज कर रहा है हाइट में और ब्रांचेस भी इंक्रीज कर रही हैं सिमिलरली, राइट. देयर विल बी अ लिटिल बिट डिफरेंस कि शूट हो सकता है ज्यादा ग्रो कर जाए और रूट भी अच्छे से ग्रो कर जाए, बट हो सकता है उसकी ब्रांचेस थोड़ा सा कम ग्रो करें. Means so there is less increase in the length of the branches in comparison to that of the increase of the शूट के कंपैरिजन में ब्रांचेस की लेंथ के इंक्रीज में थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस देख सकते हैं हम लोग. तो दिस इज हाउ वी कैन सी दैट देयर इज नो यूनिफॉर्मिटी इन द ग्रोथ ऑफ द प्लांट, राइट. एंड इन केस ऑफ एनिमल्स देयर इज अ यूनिफॉर्म ग्रोथ. There is a uniform growth. Uniform growth से यहाँ पर क्या मतलब है? You must have seen a newborn baby, right? As a newborn baby grows into a kid, जब वो kid में grow करता है, तो you can see as the height of the kid increases. In the same way, the fingers, the hand, the feet also increases and means also show some kind of growth. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि only the height is increasing, but the length of the finger is not increasing, or hand or legs are not increasing. उनमें कोई growth नहीं हो रही है, उनमें similar growth होती है. So we can see that in animals there is a uniform growth. There is a uniformity in the growth. Right. So this is the difference between the animal tissues and plant tissues, that in plant tissues there is no uniformity in the growth of the tissues, while in the cells there is a uniformity in the growth of the tissues, right. So in the next video we will study in detail about the plant tissues. Till then, keep watching, keep subscribing. Thank you.